gonna get a wax. We're gonna get a wax. We're gonna. Hello, I hope this video finds you well. My name is Star. Thank you for stopping by my channel today. And this video is going to be a little bit different because, as you can see, if you've been following my page, I started from hair care and then now I'm transitioning into some meals that I've been eating. And I wanted to show you guys some of the DIY things that I've been doing as far as taking care of my body and taking care of my health, and why not share the wealth, right? So in this video, I'm going to share with you how I prepared a sugar wax to do my legs. And this was the first time that I did it, and I'm super surprised at how it came out, and it was really, really good. And I never got a wax on my legs. Now, I always get a wax on my little downtown area because that's just the best thing to do if you want to avoid razor bumps and ingrown hairs and just not having that discoloration in that area. Ladies, I advise you to get a Brazilian bikini wax. I mean the whole shebang, like rip from the front, rip to the back, bald as can be, because you can see a little thing, you can see the coloring, and you can work on that if anything. Because I don't know about you, but I like my body to at least kind of like sync together with the color. What I did was use some of these cloth strips, but the one that I had in the video were bigger. To apply the wax, I just used these popsicle sticks. Be using this because waxing is life, and once you do it, it's kind of like it hurts for the first time, but once you exfoliate and like take care of your body, you have soft skin, the hair comes up with no problem. And it's a really good habit to want to do. So I'm going to be happy waxing with all of these popsicle sticks that I got. Now, the handy dandy trick is some powder. And I'm all for non-toxic living, non-toxic chemicals, and no parabens, no sulfates, no words that got like 19 letters and I cannot pronounce. So I went ahead and I researched and I got one of the best powders that's out there, and this is by Burt's Bees, and this is the actually baby formula. It says Burt's Bees Baby for your baby bee, and it's the dusting powder. It's 100%, and it doesn't have no talc in it, no parabens, no petroleum, no chemicals, and no words on the back that I cannot pronounce. It keeps skin feeling soft, dry, and comfortable. Made with naturally absorbent cornstarch, our talc-free formula is clinically shown to be non-irritating and safe for a baby's delicate skin. So if you have a baby and you're looking for a powder that's not Johnson & Johnson, okay? Go ahead and get you some of this. It's chemical-free, it's soothing, and it doesn't have that crazy powdery like choking scent. So I will recommend this powder. The items I used was coffee scrub. If you're interested in seeing the coffee scrub, you can go to the video that I did my face care with. Some brown sugar, lemon juice, and water. So you want to get a pot and place your brown sugar into the pot. Add your lemon juice and your water. And here's the tricky part. You add the fire, and you're supposed to wait until it starts bubbling and gets a darker brown. But because I used brown sugar already, it was a little bit difficult to determine when it was ready to come out. So you just have to go with about 20 minutes or so. Trial and error, and you want to pour it in a container and you stir it all the way until it gets to a sticky paste. After it sits for a while, it gets firmer. Here I am in the tub, and I'm just taking the coffee scrub, and you want to massage it all into your legs. That way when you're going to wax, the hair doesn't strip like your skin as well, and it's a smooth canvas when you're ready to pull off the hair. And coffee scrub is also good for like cellulite on your legs and any scarring. It can help heal and take off all the dead skin. It makes it nice and moisturized, and you want to make sure that your legs are patted dry fully. And here I tried to show you the hair on my legs. As you can see, it was pretty hairy. You want to start off with the powder and just take enough to coat your legs and make sure you rub it in. And you can hear I had some hair on my legs, and the powder is just going to work. You want to make sure you get a popsicle stick, and you want to go the direction your hair grows. So mine's grow downward, so I'm just applying it downward. You want to make sure you get your strip and wet. And there you go. You just do the same thing, adheres to hair. As you can see, that was a lot of hair. And then I kind of just use little pieces of that because to me it was easier to just grab the hair with little pieces until I get the hang of using the bigger strips. So you just want to go all over your leg and do the same thing. And when you're done, you want to make sure you rinse your legs off with cool water. That way you have all the sticky sugar wax off of you. And here you have it. Look at all this hair and the wax strips that I used, you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to you later.